on, get it.
Come on, my baby.
Yes, you're right. I mean, there's a chair. Don't drop. I'm going to be in trouble. If you both cannot start getting up here, things are not set up yet. I'm freaking out because...
Come on. Come on, baby boy. Come on, get it. Almost there. Yay! Yay, big boy! What a good boy. Thank you.
Maybe he'll roll back onto his back.
Oh, look at that. That's so sweet. Sweet boy. Yes. Yay!
We're happy.
Good boy.
Missed it.
Yay! We love you. We love you.
Now you can have your toy.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.